Everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T, coming at you guys with a little recipe that I'm going to be doing today. I hope that all of you guys are doing awesome, well and blessed. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope that you'll sit back, chill out, watch my video, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think, alright? And to all my supporters that currently support me, I appreciate you guys so very much. But today, guys, we're going to be making some flavorful, very, very flavorful chicken rice. It's so easy. You know, you ever seen that rice-a-roni? We ain't doing rice-a-roni right now. We gonna make our own chicken flavored / fake rice-a-roni, but it's really good. It tastes much better. But anyways, to get going, you're gonna need some rice. I have some long grain white rice right here. That's what's in this cup. I also have some chicken bouillon cubes. Gonna need one of those, one chicken bouillon cube. Also, I have some dried parsley in here. It's actually a tablespoon dried parsley. I also have like 1 teaspoon. Well, I'm gonna probably show you guys the jar, the little container. I'm sorry, but this is 1 teaspoon of Adobo. It's a Spanish seasoning. Love Adobo. But that's 1 teaspoon, and I'll show it to you guys. I'm sorry. And right here, I just have some broken up spaghetti in here, which is some regular old spaghetti that I just took out. I took out about maybe like 15 spaghetti pastas and just broke those up, just like so. Just broke them up like that. And we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of margarine. And you can use butter if you like, or if you don't like that, you can also substitute for some olive oil, whatever floats your boat. All right, so we're going to get moving on over to the stove because this is going to be quick and easy. Okay guys, so welcome back. So now we're going to go ahead and get everything going. So you want to start out and make sure your pan is pretty hot, okay? And we're going to go ahead and put that 2 tablespoons of margarine right in there. I'm going to probably actually turn this up a little bit in a second, but I wanted to show you guys that adobo really quick that I'm using. So this is the adobo that I'm using, all right? Hopefully that was up there long enough. I'm thinking so, right? 1 teaspoon of that is what I'm using. And I'm going to get this melted. I'm going to let this margarine melt down. And into here, we're going to add in that spaghetti that we broke up. Let's add that in here too, because we want to toast that. And we're going to be using 1 1/2 cups of rice. So I'm going to go ahead and get that as well. So you have 1 cup right here. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup. I just want to toast this up some. And right now I'm just working on a medium-high heat. I have my stove set on a 7.5. I'm going to put it on an 8 because I'm going to get this toasted up really quick. It doesn't take too long if the heat is really up some. And in here now we're going to add in those dry seasonings. That 1 teaspoon of adobo. I'm going to put that in here. And that 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. I'm going to add that in here too. This is really quick and easy, and I'm making this with, gonna make some sausage and peppers. So yeah, you guys gonna have to check that video out, alright? I'm not sure if they both will be up today when I upload this one, so that one, either or, one or the other will be up today. I'm gonna edit it today, and the other one will be up tomorrow. So I'm gonna let this get toasted, and then I'll bring you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back and it's pretty much toasted. But you see how it's starting to, let me see if you guys can see that. You can see how it's starting to turn brown. It's toasted. So we're about there. down just a tad. Because now, this is what I want. If you guys can see that. See how it's all toasted up now? The rice? That's what you want. Now we're going to add in 2.5 cups of cold water. 2 cups. 1 cup. Half a cup, my bad. And then we're going to put in that 1 bouillon cube. I'm going to let this come to a boil. And then we're going to just turn it down and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, okay? Okay, so it's coming to a boil. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to cover this up with the lid. And then I'm going to turn my eye down and just let it simmer for 20 minutes. And I'll bring you guys back, alright? It's about to be on. Okay guys, so welcome back. So that rice is done. The chicken flavored rice is done. Oh, I should have got a fork. So now you just want to just go through and just stir it up, mix it up. Look at that. Looks like rice-a-roni, huh? But better. Told you. And it's really, really good. That chicken bouillon cube in there. It's everything. And all I'm going to do too is just hit it with some fresh parsley that I chopped up and some green onions. So I'm just going to hit it with that. Trying to see if I want to put a little more in there, just a little bit. So you have just some fresh parsley and some green onion, and I only use the green part from the green onion, just the stems. This is going to be good with that sausage and peppers. And that's it, guys. That is it. Look at that. Done. It's done. But better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an awesome day. It's just tea, y'all. I'm out.